Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a study schedule for exam preparation in Notion, the 2025 guide. First, open up Notion and create a new page. Title it Study Schedule. This is the heart of your planning, a central place where you'll map out your study time. Now that we've done that, add a board view to this page. The reason we do this is to create a visual representation of your study plan. You can create columns for each subject or topic. Next up, create cards for each study session. Click on the plus new button and fill in the details. Make sure to include the topic, resources you'll use, and an estimated study duration. This helps us because it allows us to break down our study sessions into manageable chunks. Now, let's add due dates to these cards. Click on the card, scroll down to Properties, and add a date property. Assign a due date for each card. Let me explain why this matters. Setting due dates helps to keep you on track and ensures that you cover all topics before your exam. Lastly, to keep your progress in check, add a status property. This can be to do, in progress, or complete. This is important as it allows you to visually track your progress and stay motivated as you move cards from one status to another. And there you have it. A simple, effective study schedule in Notion. So go ahead, give it a try, and take control of your exam preparation. Remember, the key is to keep it updated and stick to your schedule. Thanks for watching, and happy studying.